So I faced a lot of challenges when I was growing up. I had to get a job when I was really young, and I was working 3 jobs at a time while I was still in high school. I was originally a full-time college student, and I had to drop out primarily because it wasn't what I wanted, and also because I financially couldn't afford it. There was a lot of things going on at home, and we were considering moving up towards Harrisburg. And I was doing research and looking, and I saw HACC offered an automotive program. I took a tour of 3 schools, compared costs, and at the end of the day, HACC's automotive program was just as good, if not better. The teachers at HACC are very helpful, very informative. I like how just flexible, they're just understanding, and the cost effectiveness was there. So that kind of is what made my mind go HACC.